Hey guys, Andrew Mcfarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you're happy and healthy, inspired to launch your business or grow your existing businesses. Today is another segment of Juice News. As you guys may be just joining this is a new thing that I'm experimenting with, really bringing you up-to-date information of what's happening in the industry, things that might be related to new equipment coming out or other juice businesses that might be expanding or closing down, just things to keep you abreast to what the industry has going on within it. So if you like this content, please let me know so I can keep making it. Or maybe if you don't like it, also let me know. I'm just testing it out and seeing how it goes. So today I wanted to talk about an article and some information I came across that is pretty revolutionary, and I want to share about the implications of this as well. It's the fact that Jamba Juice has partnered up with a robotics company and has created a kiosk that doesn't have any employees. They're able to make smoothies without anybody there. It's almost like a high-tech vending machine. I'm going to talk more about this and what my thoughts are on this as we dive in. But before I do, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last decade, myself and my company, we've had the pleasure of running our own juice businesses, as well as helping hundreds of people all over the world launch juice concepts, smoothie concepts, acai bowl businesses, and more. So all the information on this channel is coming from that experience. Early invitation to press the thumbs up button. That supports the channel. It also supports the world in getting healthier, because we're here to share this information to empower one another so we can help our communities by having successful juice bar businesses. Press the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you get alerted anytime we release new content. And now that we've got all of that out of the way, we're going to dive into today's topic of conversation on Juice News. So I came across this article which basically reads that Blended and Jamba, which is the new name for Jamba Juice, actually Jamba Juice rebranded themselves, just calling themselves Jamba now, team up to open a robotic smoothie kiosk at Walmart. I think now they actually might have a few more locations. Now this article is from December 2nd, 2020, and it goes on to read that Blended, which makes a robotic kiosk that makes smoothies, and Jamba are opening their inaugural co-branded location, Jamba by Blended, at a West Coast Walmart on Wednesday, December 2nd, according to the announcement. So this is, at this point, maybe 5 months or 6 months ago. So I'm really curious as to how it's going. It says that the first Jamba by Blended kiosk is inside of a Dixon, California Walmart, and will be open every day between the hours of 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. Blended is on a mission to make delicious and customized food accessible to all using robotics and AI, artificial intelligence. Launching our first Jamba by Blended kiosk further expands our goal and accessibility. That's from the CEO, Vipin Jain. That's what they said in this announcement. So this is a very interesting thing. It's a very powerful thing. And I think it's very important that you guys pay attention to this trend and where things are going, because I actually was in my old neighborhood in California, and I remember coming across a smoothie truck. This just kind of blew my mind. I was coming across a smoothie truck that had no staff members as well, very similar to this, by another company that was specialized in robotics. And they were able to sell very high quality smoothies at a fraction of the price, something like $5 for a 16-ounce smoothie that would, in most cases, in the neighborhood that I lived in, cost somewhere between $10 and $12. Okay, so this to me said, wow, this is going to make this product more accessible to a lot of people, maybe in other neighborhoods where the price point, because of the cost of labor and produce together, price point might have needed to be higher to justify a sustainable business. This is going to open up a whole number of things to the industry. Now, different people have different perspectives on this whole evolution towards robotics. Throughout the whole era of manufacturing, people have always debated whether robots are going to take humanity's jobs and what the implications of that are. And so I have a personal perspective around that, and it's that, one, human beings, we always are going to want to socialize with other individuals. So I don't think we're going to get to the place where every restaurant we go to is just going to be fully robotic, because we want to have interactions with staff, with waiters, with servers, and other people that are in the environment, and that is going to play a role. All that being said, is innovation isn't going to stop either. And as a company, you are going to be forced to compete with other companies like this, potentially, who are able to offer smoothies at a fraction of the price because they can cut their labor down. And so unless you can position your company in a way that's unique, then you're not going to be able to compete in terms of pricing. I'm actually interested in your perspective as a business owner, whether this is something that you would take on if you knew you could invest, who knows what the price is. I'm totally unaware at this point, but I'm going to do more research as to if you could invest $50,000, $100,000, maybe even $200,000 on a piece of equipment like this, would you do it? Right? Maybe you have to license it, but would you do it if it saved you money on labor and you didn't have to worry about making smoothies and having more staff on board, and you could charge less for your retail products? Put in the comment box below. I'm interested in your thoughts around this. Overall, I really think that we're not going to be able to resist this evolution. I think this is going to be inevitable, and the companies that are going to be able to avoid having to implement these kinds of things are going to be the companies that have very unique brand positions, right? So I always say there's depth and there's width. And depth means building really deep connections with your customer base, really understanding the unique interests that they have, and building those relationships. Whereas width is, it's McDonald's. It's just rotating things in and out. And now every kind of business model has a place in the industry. The question is what kind of business owner you want to be and what kind of business you want to run. It's not right or wrong. It's just a matter of having choice and having that understanding. So I wanted to share this article with you. I think that it was very interesting to me. I hope you guys found value in it. Like I said, questions, comments, put in the comment box below. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this style of content. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, notification bell, hit the like button. Last announcements, follow us on Instagram. There's exclusive giveaways and other content that we only release there. And then lastly, if you like podcasts, we have a podcast called The Juice Bar Experts on iTunes and on Spotify for some passive or active listening for you. Until next time, wishing you guys a lot of success. If you need support with your business, we have a full spectrum development firm. Reach me at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Until next time, wishing you a lot of success. I'll see you soon. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.